What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping to the next one on our annapantsu journey. What it sounds like from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's jump in, check it out together. Get over, show her all the love in the world. Let's go.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back.
The emotion in her voice is so like real, so sincere. I'm over here getting a little choked up. Like you can feel the pain, and it's a cover. That's the way that's supposed to work. It's beautiful already. The vocals are perfect to get the job done.
I broke into
You can feel it.
pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. This song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. We're shattering the silence. We're rising defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors. The dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired. But dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
This is right. Like you can still feel every reason why K-pop Demon Hunters is blowing up. It just went absolutely crazy around the world. So many people. It struck notes with certain people. It's just a powerful, powerful movie. It really is a powerful musical masterpiece. And like when it's done by the right people, even when it's covered by the right people, that power still comes through. You feel the uplift moment. You feel every bit of this. This is why we love K-pop Demon Hunters. And yes, we've done the reaction, and yes, I'm still working on it. I'm pretty far into it now, though. I can't give you a date on when it's gonna drop, though. Been very, very busy on this end. Let's go.
Did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like.
rock.
what it sounds like. Truth after all this time, our voices all combine. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.
Yo, and it was so big. Epic version indeed. Holy hell. Hey, get up a show on all the love in the world. The link is inside of the description. It was so massive. Like you just felt that reverberate through your entire body. Never like the covers are just out of this world. There's so many people out there taking something powerful and doing their own version of it, and it comes out just as amazing. It's yes. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one of my the combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.